Hi everyone, I'm Nicole Neely with mmToolParts.com. Today we're going to show you how to replace your guard plate on your DWS780. Guard plate is N020822. Okay, so now we're going to replace the guard plate. So you'll need your new guard plate and a T30. And we already have our lower guard off. All you had to do is take the 4 screws off. If you need help with that, watch our video before this and it'll show you how to do it. So we're just gonna get to it. We're gonna unscrew the link here. Let it down gently. Okay, and then we're gonna go to the back screw. Okay, now for the secret one. The front screw. Okay, next part, we're gonna need a ratchet to hold this and unscrew this side to remove this plate. Okay, so holding with our ratchet on the left, we're gonna twist off the right side here. Okay, so just a little reminder, the spring and the back side do not come with your piece, so you're either gonna have to order a new one or keep your old one. So you'll just look on the spring, the little prong here, and line it up to put it back on. Okay, now that we got that back on, we're just gonna hook the guard plate back up, line up with your back screw here. Watch for that and make sure you line that up so it goes on easily. Okay. Now onto the front one. Okay, now we'll put our lower guard plate back on. Okay, so for these 4 screws, you'll just need a T20. And I don't like to tighten this one all the way yet until I get the second one in to make sure it's lined up. Okay, now we'll just put the link back on. And this one is a T30. Make sure your link's in the right groove of the screw. There you go. You've got your lower guard and your guard plate on. Easy. Thanks for watching how to replace your guard plate on your DWS780. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And if you need any of the parts we used today, go to mmToolParts.com. We have everything you need there and more. So, see you later.